Okay folks, I'm back for a spot more transplanting. This time I'm going to do a few of these poppies, the giant Cunara, and that's what they look like. And what I'm going to do is I'll either take them some individually or as clumps, and I'm going to put them into air, grow them on for a couple of weeks, and then I'll put them into the garden. So let's crack on. I'm just gonna all I'm doing is just gently prising them apart with the soil intact, like that, and then I'm just going to put them into air. Now, it has been said that poppies might not be fond of being transplanted, so just be aware of that when you're doing this job. That's why I'm being very careful to take the roots. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is because let's have a look at the date. These were sown on the 7th of April, and it's now 20 something of 23rd I think of May, and they say that the soil only has so much goodness really to feed the plants for so many weeks. So I'm transferring it now to give them, so they've got time to grow a bit bigger in some nice nutritional soil, and that's what I'm doing. Now this year I think I've had some dodgy soil because I'm having problems with some of the germination. Some hasn't taken at all, and some of my dahlias, the ones I normally have no trouble with, and they should be above that height, are only little tiddly things. So I put that down to the soil. Sure what happened there, but we'll stick that back in. Let's stick that back in there. So that's what I've got folks, and I'm going to make sure that that gets watered probably from underneath because they're a bit fragile. So I'll probably put those into this tray here, and I'll make sure there's some water in there to feed them up. I've just done a marigold, a single marigold out the tray. That's gone into there. What we need to do, make sure that, because that's that, I don't want to get them mixed up, do I? And I need to put, because it's a set of 6 poppies, I'm just going to do one label for it. Okay, so I'm goes in there. You can see we have got loads left. I shall probably carry on potting a few more of these up, and I'm just thinking what else. There isn't really a lot of interesting stuff to do. I've got some zinnias down here, some more dahlias and that. I think that's probably going to be it for today, folks. So for now, I'll say goodbye.